The guilty verdict for Abu Hamza, whose birth name is Mustafa Kamel Mustafa, followed a month-long trial before a jury of 8 men and 4 women. They found Hamza guilty on all 11 terrorism-related counts, including sending 2 followers to set up a jihad training camp in the U.S., dispatching men to help al-Qaida in Afghanistan, and providing hostage takers in Yemen with a satellite phone. 4 hostages died during a rescue attempt. 2 survivors testified at the trial, as did a convicted former al-Qaida associate who appeared from Britain via a live television feed.
If it's skin, do it!
Prosecutors also played video and audio clips of Hamza in which he called non-Muslims pigs and justified taking them captive. The Egyptian-born Hamza testified in his own defense for several days. He denied having aided jihadists and said he had previously apologized for his extremist sermons. Karen Greenberg of Fordham University's Center on National Security said during the trial that Hamza appeared thoughtful, even scholarly.
He has not used this as a pulpit for proselytizing about jihad. Quite the opposite. He's backed away from, as whenever he's been given the chance, he's backed away from the idea of violence and talked a great deal about religion in a more helpful sense.
But in closing arguments, prosecutors urged jurors not to be fooled by Abu Hamza, saying he was trying to sell a version of himself that contradicted the evidence. Defense attorney Jeremy Schneider countered that the evidence against Hamza amounted only to words, not actual deeds. He faces up to life in prison when he is sentenced by a judge later this year. Hamza was extradited from Britain, where he served a 7-year sentence for inciting murder and racial hatred. Carolyn Weaver, VOA News, New York.